Hello friends and welcome to my channel Analytics, and in this video I will show you how to use the SUMIFS function. So SUMIF, in my earlier videos I talked about SUMIF. So basically in SUMIF what I do is I compare just one set of arguments, but over here I will be looking into two different set of arguments, or I will be satisfying more than one condition and doing a SUMIF. So if you see over here I got north, so that is in column C I got the north regions over here, north, west, south region, and also in column L, M, N, O and P I have got the different items sold in all those regions. So in cell number L3, what I will try to do is I will try to find out in north what was the total number of sales or the total sales done for pencils in north. So for that I will be using the SUMIFS function. So it is SUMIFS function. Okay, so let us do it now. Is equal to SUMIFS open bracket. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to find out the total. So I will select column H to H, which is my total, comma. What is my criteria? My criteria is column C. So I will select the region, column C, comma. What is the first criteria that I have? I have K, north section, that is what I am looking for, comma. Now my second condition is inside north region I am looking for the number of sales for pencils. So I select E, that is my second criteria now. Now what exactly am I looking in column E? I am looking for pencils. Pencil. Close my bracket. Now I am only looking for two criterias. If you are looking for more than two criterias, you can again add by putting a comma and then going ahead with the formula. So for now I have only two criteria, so I close the bracket and then I hit enter. So now I see in north region total number of pencil sales were 594.82. I can drag and drop the formula to the entire row and column, but what will happen is you will not get the proper numbers. The reason for that is there is nothing as constant over here, okay, because every reference moves. So now what I will do is I will make it constant. How I do constant is H to H I will press F4, or what I can do is I can just put a dollar symbol. That means my entire H column is going to be constant wherever I pull the formula to. Similarly, I can make this constant so that wherever I move the formula, my these columns stay constant. I will put a dollar sign over here. K is interesting. This is, I can put it over here for this one because my vertical section, so my vertical section is not going to move, it is moving horizontally, so that is the reason I put a symbol over here, dollar sign over here. Again, E is going to stay constant. I can put the dollar sign over here and here. And for L, L is going to stay constant only vertically. That is the reason I will put the formula over here, L, dollar. Simple. Now if I try to drag the formula, you will see the values coming. Similarly, I can move the formulas down. So this is how you use the SUMIFS function. So guys, hope you liked this video, and if you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the thumbs up icon and also do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post new videos you get early notifications. So bye bye for now and see you guys later. Thank you.